This is the weather forecast video for Sunday, October the 2nd, 2011. Let's take a look at the satellite image from last evening. Fairly quiet across the country except on the far east coast with some rainfall there, and in the Pacific Northwest with the new storm system moving into the west. Over the middle part of the country, high pressure system with dry conditions. Here's the watch warning map from just before midnight. A frost advisory for most of, or if not all, the state of Illinois, Indiana, eastern Iowa, Missouri, Wisconsin, Michigan, Ohio, Kentucky, and Tennessee. Otherwise, the rest of the nation is quiet. QPF chart. Precipitation over the next 5 days through Thursday evening at 7 o'clock shows most of the precipitation in the eastern Great Lakes into New England and the Rockies westward into the Pacific Northwest. In the middle, no rain for the next 5 to maybe 6 days. Here's the 0Z GFS Model Run. At 1 p.m. today, you'll see an upper level feature over the mid-Atlantic states with a trough moving into the Pacific Northwest with the storm track moving in that area. Low pressure moving into the Pacific Northwest. Meanwhile, rainfall over the eastern Great Lakes and into New England. While here, high pressure with temperatures in the mid-60s to lower 70s. We head off into Monday. The storm system moves into the Pacific Northwest. Upper level feature still over the mid-Atlantic states. But here we'll still be dry with temperatures slowly warming up. Into Tuesday, temperatures will still begin to warm up with southwesterly winds aloft. A storm off to our west and a storm to our east. We're still in the middle with sunshine and temperatures in the 70s. Wednesday, southwest winds about maybe 10 to 15 miles per hour. But sunshine with few afternoon clouds and highs in the 70s to near 80 west. Thursday, same story, winds south to southwest at about 10 to 20 miles per hour, with sunshine and some afternoon clouds, and highs in the 70s to near 80 west. Friday, winds south to about 10, 15, or 20, with highs in the 70s to near 80 west again, with sunshine and a few afternoon clouds. Saturday, we'll have some increasing clouds, especially over the western half of the state, with rain in the plain states, but here it'll still be dry with highs in the 70s, maybe approaching 80. A week from today, the 9th, we have a vortex over the northern plains, North Dakota and Montana, with a southwesterly flow aloft as the trough begins to dig in. With that, a cold front eases into the state next Sunday, producing some showers and maybe some thunderstorms there, and these will move through Sunday into next Monday. We move ahead further into Voodoo, October the 13th. Big west-east flow across the country with an upper-level feature over the south. And with that, we could see some rainfall in this area with the 540 line dipping into the northern plain states that could bring some cool conditions in that area. And at the end of the forecast period on October the 17th, a trough over the center part of the country with the main storm track in the area, with a bit of a ridge over the extreme southeastern part of the country. The surface, another storm system with some showers and maybe some isolated thunderstorms at that time. We'll have to see if this continues on later model runs as we head further into the middle of October. Thank you for watching the weather forecast video. We'll have another one tomorrow.